Hey there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mahesh Opari. Hope you're doing great. And today we are diving into the world of affiliate marketing with one of the top travel websites out there, Expedia. If you have heard about Expedia's affiliate program, you know it's a fantastic opportunity to earn money by promoting travel services. But you haven't? No worries. I'm here to break it all down for you. So let's get started. And guys, at any time of this video, if you would like to discover my favorite strategy, that which is making me around $5,000 to $10,000 every month from comfort of my home just by making use of my computer and internet connection, then I request you to please visit the first link in the description down below, get registered and watch my free masterclass. Alright, now let's get started with today's video. Expedia, along with other big names like Booking.com and Airbnb, is a giant in travel industry. On Expedia, you can book hotel stays, flights, car rentals and vacation packages. And now let's add affiliate marketing to that list and explore how you can earn commissions by promoting these services. First, let's head over to the Expedia affiliate marketing section, and you can find it easily on their website. When you scroll it all the way down, on bottom left side you'll be finding affiliate marketing program. Now by joining their program, you can earn up to 4% commission on every qualified booking made through your site link or widget. The exact commission depends on the location of the booking, but 4% is pretty solid, especially for expensive hotel stays. Joining the program is simple. Just click on join now button and fill in your basic information like email, first name, last name and password. So once you are in, you get access to a suite of tools including analytics, widgets and banners, all for free. Now let's talk about keywords. Keywords are crucial in affiliate marketing, and one effective strategy is targeting keywords related to things to do in specific cities. For example, let's say things to do in Singapore is a popular search term. Let's see how others are using this keyword. So here you can see timeout.com is a great example. They rank for keywords like 101 best things to do in Singapore. As you can see, these blog posts are filled with affiliate links. Even if you don't like writing, you can hire someone to create content for you or use tools like ChatGPT to help generate ideas. Now, let's move with social media platforms like YouTube and Instagram. They are also fantastic for affiliate marketing. Take this Instagram page for example. They have many followers but don't create content themselves. Instead, they repost others' content and credit the original creators. They add affiliate links into their bio, driving traffic and earning commissions. Now, let's talk about YouTube. So if you search for things to do in Singapore, you'll find many creators ranking for this keyword. For example, check this channel which has got millions of views on their video, and make a note guys, you don't need a lot of subscribers to start. Focus on creating quality content and optimizing it for the search to rank in YouTube or on Google, so that you'll be driving traffic and getting views. From there, you can divert people to the link in the description and place the affiliate link over there. There are many channels on YouTube which use simple content, often just post photos to promote affiliate links. They have almost 5,000 to 10,000 subscribers and earn money from both YouTube ads and affiliate commissions. Remember, even using stock footages can be effective if done well. Now let's move with another example on Pinterest. Pinterest is also another powerful platform. People love visual content like vacation packaging list. You can create this easily using Canva. Just type in vacation packaging list on Canva, customize a template and upload it to Pinterest. This can drive traffic to your blog or other platforms where you have affiliate links. Pinterest users often click on this list, leading them to your site where they might click on your affiliate links. It's a smart way to leverage free templates and drive traffic to your blog or website. Alright guys, to wrap up, affiliate marketing takes effort and consistency. Please keep this in mind. Whether you choose to write blogs, create YouTube videos, post on Instagram or TikTok or maybe on Pinterest, the key is to provide value. do your research, offer genuine insights, and people will respect you and trust your recommendations. It won't be an overnight success, guys, but with hard work and dedication, it can become a great side hustle. So guys, if you like to learn how I make around $5,000 to $10,000 every month from comfort of my home, then I request you to please visit the first link in the description, get registered and watch the free masterclass. And also there is a special bonus for you guys. If you watched this video till the end, then you're lucky. Why? Because I am offering a 2,500 bonus for absolutely free to the first 500 members who join my VIP inner circle. So in this community, you'll get access to my affiliate marketing courses, valuable resources, and the opportunity to network with the like-minded individuals. So I request you to please take action from the second link in the description. Just get registered and access my free masterclass from there. So if you're watching this video for the first time, then I request you to please do subscribe and hit that bell icon so that it would be motivating me to create new content, as well as you get notified if I drop any new video on my channel. Thank you for watching and meet you in my next video. Bye bye. Take care.